Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm. I've got some really great news coming up. So starting tomorrow, Tuesday, December 3rd, through the rest of the week, especially on the weekend, we'll be tearing it up on the weekends. I've got some great things planned. On the Quail and Supply Auction Group on Facebook, I will be auctioning off eggs all week. We'll be shipping out on Tuesday, which means they will all hatch on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. So that's a really cool thing that we're doing. I've got all new breeders, next generations going on. They're already laying. We've already confirmed the fertility rate, so we're really excited about that. Not only do we have all new breeders, but we tripled in size for you guys for next year. So we are way ahead of schedule, which means this week will be dedicated to the auction site. And we will be shipping out on Tuesday, a week from tomorrow, and they'll all be hatching on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day for you guys, which is really exciting, and how great of a way to start the new year than to hatch out new quail. So I hope I see you there. If you're a part of it, watch for it. If not, join on Facebook, Quail and Supply Auction Group, and we are starting tomorrow. We'll see you then. Thanks, guys.